For joining me today, my friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys my best Fibonacci day trading strategy to grow your small account. By far, hands down, guys, I'm going to bring to you the best one that I use every single day. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, some shout outs, and then we'll get right into it. Mike, Trading Wars Army, what's going on? Anthony, G-Man, Candice, Mayo, Sunrise, Wesley, Bill, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. T, STK, good to see you. Hit me with the one if you guys can hear me loud and clear. We are live and ready to go. So as you guys can see, on SPY, we had a gap up today. So I'm going to hit the replay here, and I'm going to walk you guys through what's going on. Mugda, Salin, what's going on, guys? Trading Wars Army. So I'm going to draw the high of Friday, and we're going to go ahead and replay this price action here. I'm going to stay on the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to show you how this Fibonacci setup works. Okay, so here we go. Here is the first bar of the day. So this Fibonacci setup here, guys, this one is called the full range Fibonacci. Okay, so the full range Fibonacci, what you need for this setup is you don't need to look at the pre-market. All you need to do is look at the price action after the first half an hour. Okay, so that's right around the first 30 minutes is when you will see a leg like this develop. So first 30 minutes to an hour of the day, you will see a direction. So the goal is we're trying to find a direction. Bill, what's going on? BD, Jeff, Wazdak, what's going on? All right, so let's go ahead and let's play the price action today. And let's look for our direction in the morning. Okay, so just to show you guys this one real quick. So this trade, we made $1,200 on a small account. So this was the setup, and $1,202.63. Just want to show you guys that as well. Okay, so let's go into it. All right, so here is the first 20 minutes, 25, 30. Okay, so let's stop right here for 1 second. And I want you guys to look at this direction and tell me, is this a bearish or a bullish direction? So hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 for bullish. Jeff, what's going on, brother? So obviously, guys, if we look at this chart, the best way to understand that is look to the left. So this is the left. This is the first candle of the day, and see, did we go up or down? Okay, so obviously here, guys, we went down. Okay, so the point of this full range Fibonacci is to wait for the pullback of that first move of the day. The reason you want to wait for the pullback, and the reason why it's extremely powerful with small accounts, is because you're going to ensure that you get a discounted deal on the trade because you're not chasing the trade. So for example, if you were to short down here or short down here, that's not going to be a better entry than if you were to, it was to pull back into this area, because this area you're going to get a cheaper deal, right? Because you're letting the price pull back from its low. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hop into the Discord, and I'm going to show you the Fibonacci bot that we built, and I'm just going to walk you through how we do that. Okay, so I did the exact same thing that I did with you guys. So in the morning, we look for the full range. Okay, so you can see we posted this at 10:16. So let's play a little bit more. Here is that holy grail pattern, and we had a feeling right here, guys, that this is going to be where the market starts to pull back. And the reason is because this is the holy grail pattern. Ravi, what's going on? Mugda, what's going on? So this holy grail pattern is generally a reversal sign. This is one of our Trading Wars patterns. So from here, this is where we go ahead now. We take our Fibonacci from our high to our low like this. Okay, and we're going to double click on this, and I'm just going to put on the 618. As a new trader with a small account, you only want to just focus on one good fib level, and there we have the 618. Okay, and you can see in the Discord here, we drew this up, and then we got filled. So we got filled short at 1020 on this pullback here. Okay, then you could see target hit, home run. So this trade was extremely fast, and it took about only 10 minutes. Okay, so let me show you. On the next candle here, guys, boom, we shoot up, and there's our fill. Okay, so if we go to the 2-minute chart, we'll be able to see this in more detail. So here was our initial push down in the morning. We pulled back in, and once it touches the 618, we get an alert, and we go short right here, filled short. So we take this short right here, guys. Our stop loss for a new trader, just keep it above the swing high up here for your protection. And what the goal is we want to take this and make a new low. Okay, and on the way down, we're going to take profits on the way down. Okay, so here we go. Boom, boom, done. That's it. And the goal is to take it into a new low. And I want to point out something really powerful about this strategy. So a lot of rookie traders, what they do is they buy, so they'll short down here because they get FOMO. When this is coming down, they're like, oh, no, no, no. You know what? The market is crashing. I need to get in. I need to get in. And they get in right here on this wick. And you can see how the market maker punishes them because it shoots right back up immediately, right? So that's the key right there. And again, right? So notice every time, okay? So let's take this Fibonacci now, and let's take this one from this high and bring it down to this low. Notice how right on that 618 again, okay? So you always want to take the pullback on that trade, the pullback, not the lows. Don't chase the lows because you're going to have a bad deal. All right. So we only took this one right here together, this first Fibonacci trade. We shorted this one, took the profits for $1,200, like I said, on a small account, guys. And you can see right here, full range Fibonacci, target hit, home run, boom, new low of the day, bang. All right. One simple trade. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you all the other Fibonacci possibilities. Okay. Because if you really wanted to, you could trade this all day long with the fibs. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Okay. But for me personally, I like to take my 1 to 2 trades and be done. Okay. So if we actually start off in the morning, all right. So put your seatbelts on for this, guys. All right. And get the pen and the pad out. Hit me with a 6 when you got the pen and the pad out. So I'm going to show you. Okay. So once we made a new low right here, okay, that was the sign for the first bear leg. Take my Fibonacci, high to low. There's our 618. Okay, that's 1. All right. Now from there again, from this Fibonacci high to this low, there's our second 618. Okay, you have to be extremely fast in order to take those trades. All right, so you're not always going to get that. Right now, the third leg right here, there's no pullback. Extend it lower. Here's our pullback right here. This is the third. So notice this one came close to stop out, but it didn't. Now let's continue. Oops. Now let's continue. All right. I'll take the one from this high to the low right here, guys. This is the fourth. So depending, you would need to have a little cushion on this one or you wouldn't have got filled. Okay. Now, again, this is our anchor. Bring it down to the low. There's our 618 right here, new low. Okay. So this is the fifth one. So there's just so many opportunities with the strategy, guys. And I'm teaching you the basic fundamentals of making sure you get a good risk to reward. Now we go high to low again. Here's the other 618, guys. I'm telling you something right now, guys. What I'm showing you right here, guys, this is something extremely beautiful. And then on the last one over here, you can see this one was a loser from high to low. That one broke through, okay? And that one was a loser on the last leg of the day, okay? But look at all the winners on the way down. Hit me with a 20 if that makes sense, all right? So really, really nice. That's what we call the full range Fibonacci. Full range is when you allow the range of the day to develop, and then you use the direction of the given day, and that direction is the direction you play. So if it's going to the downside, you're going to go bearish with the 618. If it's going to the upside, you're going to go bullish with the 618. All right. And now I'm going to show you an example of a long. Okay. So here we go on snow. So on snow today, I made $2,209 on snow. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's do a recap on snow. Okay. All right. So the first thing is, let's look at the daily chart for snow. So why did I want to trade snow? Okay. So the reason I wanted to trade snow, guys, is because we had an inside bar on Friday. All right. And then let me just go ahead right here. I was going to show you. So I posted this free picks yesterday for snow, and we wanted to go long at 152.09. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if you're subscribed and you get the free picks every day. Just want to make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. All right. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. I do those free picks every day. All right. And if you're a premium member to the army, you get bonus picks and special picks. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and draw that in. So we wanted to go long at 152.09. All right. I'm going to hit the replay now, and I'm going to show you guys this setup. Okay. So if we look at the price action on Thursday and Friday, we have a tightening formation here. Okay. Go ahead, right like this, coming in like this, coming in like this. Okay. So hit me with the 2 if you guys see this pennant triangle pattern. So that's why I selected this play for a breakout today on Tuesday. And what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you that even if you missed the initial breakout, there was a Fibonacci that you could play to the upside, to the bull side. All right, so here's our entry. Boom. So right at the open, I'm filled long, and then boom, right into profits. Okay, so what do you do if you missed that? So now we can apply our Fibonacci to the bullish. So obviously, guys, this is a bullish direction. So now take our Fibonacci from our low to our high. Okay, this is right around 10 o'clock. Boom, boom, boom. There's our fill long. Okay, now check this out. Gone. Okay, so that's how you do it to the bullish side. Same strategy, full range Fibonacci. Really, really nice. Hit me with a 7 if that made sense. So I just want to show you it was a really good day. Nailed SPY, nailed Snow. NVIDIA did well. And I'm going to be keeping a lot of, I'm going to keep a close eye on NVIDIA. Okay, I'm going to be keeping a close eye. So even if you look at NVIDIA, guys, what you'll see here is NVIDIA has double legs in place. So the morning, here's your low to high. There's your 618. There's your bounce back up. This one did not make a new high because the bear, if I go from high to low, there's the bear right there. So the bear was actually stronger. Okay. All right, guys. So I hope I showed you 3 great examples there. And that's the strategy that I would use to grow a small account. Would use either options or futures. Either one would be fine because you're not chasing at the open. And I just want to let you guys know, I've extended my Memorial Day sale for another 24 hours. If anyone is interested, I know a lot of people said they were busy they weren't able to take advantage. So I extended another 24 hours, guys. So right now, if anyone's interested, I'm doing an amazing deal in the Discord. So I normally sell my bundle deal for $800. It comes with 4 months in the room, all 3 of my books, my seminars, the Fibonacci bot 100 trade challenge, and you get a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so it's a pretty good deal because you get 4 months. What I'm going to do right now, guys, is if you want this deal right here, I'm going to cut the price in half, even more than half. It's going to be $350 only for the next 24 hours. Email rich@tradingwars.com and I'll give you the link. It's a private link. Or if you want to purchase on the website, I will give you 1 full year in the Discord. Okay, 1 full year. So you'll get a pretty good deal there. Or guys, you can sign up right here on the main page if you're interested right here. Or if you just want the book, my friends, you can grab the book and get 2 months for free. I'm also doing that promotion as well. This is the Fibonacci book. Everything I just taught you is in here. And that's it, my friends. I will be posting the picks for tomorrow. I just want to shout out to the Trading Wars Army. I'm looking for 2 people to join the army for a live stream on Friday. Okay. So I already have 3 people signed up this week. If 2 more people can sign up for the Trading Wars Army, I will do a live stream on Friday and I will show you guys those fibs live. And just for anyone interested how to do that, I'm just going to show you guys right now. So here's the video you're watching right now, my friends. Just click that join button and it's $4.99 a month and you get all of my special plays and special swing trades that I post for the group. And then otherwise than that, Day Trading University will continue. I have 4 classes out right now for free, guys, here. Please check out the notes. Lesson 5 will be about futures. Okay. So if you already are in the Discord, just email rich@tradingwars.com and I'll put together something for you, brother. I'll put together a deal. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I hope it's going to add value for you. And thank you so much for your time and looking forward to seeing you guys again. And it's the bread and butter here, guys. That's what I keep doing every single day. And I don't change it. If it's working, guys, don't change it. All right. So please leave a comment and like, and let me know if this was helpful because this Fibonacci strategy, I can go into a lot more crazy detail if you like. Thank you so much.